Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and use Incogni for data removal privacy detailed guide step by. To begin, open your web browser. Type Incogni in the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Incogni website link. On the home page, locate the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the registration process. Fill out the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Open your email inbox and find the verification email from Incogni. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once your account is activated, return to the Incogni website and log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will land on the dashboard. To initiate data removal, click on the Start Data Removal button. You will be prompted to enter your personal information to identify your data. Fill in the necessary details, such as your name, address, and any other requested information. Submit your information once you have completed all fields. Incogni will then begin the process of contacting data brokers on your behalf. You can monitor the progress of your data removal requests through your dashboard. If needed, Incogni provides additional options for custom requests. Once the process is complete, you will receive a notification regarding the results. Regularly check your Incogni dashboard for updates and additional actions if required. Always keep your Incogni account information secure for privacy purposes. Using Incogni can help enhance your online privacy by removing personal data from various platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.